So hi friends, in this question, two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 3 by 8 hours. Tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. So we are going to take x as the time taken by the smaller tap to fill the tank, and we are going to take x minus 10 as the time taken by the larger tap to fill the tank. So two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 3 by 8 hours. We are going to change this mixed fraction to improper fraction, that it becomes 75 by 8. That is, you are going to multiply 9 and 8. 9 8s are 72 plus 3 75 by 8. The denominator should be as such. So you are going to convert into an improper fraction. And then here we have to frame an equation like time taken by the larger tap plus time taken by the smaller tap is equal to 1 by 75 by 8, just because we are using by direct and indirect ratio. In this theory, we are going to use 1 by x minus 10 plus 1 by x is equal to 8 by 75. When we take reciprocal of this, we will be getting like 8 by 75. So by direct and indirect ratio, we are getting this equation, and we are going to take LCM for this equation. So we will be getting like x plus x minus 10 by x into x minus 10, which is equal to 8 by 75. And you are going to multiply this and add this. So you will be getting 2x minus 10 by x square minus 10x, which is equal to 8 by 75. And you're going to cross multiply this. So 75 into 2x minus 10 is equal to 8 into x square minus 10x. So when you multiply these inside the brackets, you will be getting 150x minus 750, which is equal to 8x square minus 80x. When you multiply, you will be getting this equation, and you're going to bring all these right hand side towards the left hand side. So you will get 150x minus 750 minus 8x squared plus 80x. The signs will be changing when you bring from right hand side to the left hand side. And when you simplify further, you will be getting minus 8x squared plus 230x minus 750 is equal to 0. And you're going to multiply minus 1 throughout this equation. To change the sign throughout this equation, you're going to multiply minus 1. So you will get 8x square minus 230x plus 750 is equal to 0. So you are going to take tree factorization method for this equation, for this quadratic equation. So you will be multiplying this 8 and 750. So you will be getting 6000, and you are going to keep this middle term, that is b here, which is going to separate. So when you multiply these two terms, you have to get 6000, and when you add or subtract, you have to get this minus 230. So two numbers, that is 230. When you multiply these two, you will be getting 6000, and when you add these two, you will be getting minus 230. So minus 200 and minus 30, that is minus into minus plus. So plus 6000, and when you add, you will be getting. So you are going to divide by 8, just because here 8 is there, that is the coefficient of x square is 8. So you are going to, if it is 1, you need not to divide, and if you divide also, you will be getting the same answer. So you need not to divide. Since here is 8, you are going to multiply, or sorry, you are going to divide by 8, that is 200 by 8 and 30 by 8, minus 200 by 8 and minus 30 by 8. When you divide 25, and you cannot divide this because it will come like 3.75. So you are going to keep as such. Therefore you will be getting two zeros, that is x minus 25 into x minus 30 by 8 is equal to 0. So here x minus 25 is equal to 0, and here x minus 30 by 8 is equal to 0, and x is equal to 30 by 8. This is not possible. I'll explain you why it is not possible at the last. And here x is equal to 25. So therefore the time taken by the smaller tap to fill the tank is 25 hours, because here x, we have taken the time taken by the smaller tap to fill the tank is x. Therefore x is 25, and the time taken by the smaller tap to fill the tank is also 25. And in the equation, the same equation, we have taken that x minus 10 as the time taken by the larger tap to fill the tank. So therefore x minus 10 will be the time taken by the larger tap. So x is 25. So you are going to substitute, and 25 minus 10, which is equal to 15 hours. Therefore the time taken by the larger tap is 15 hours, and the time taken by the smaller tap to fill the tank is 25 hours. And now I'll explain you why we shouldn't use this. That is 30 by 8 as the value of x. When you use 30 by 8 as the value of x, you'll be getting in minus value. When you divide, you will be getting like 3.75, and when it is going to be the time taken by the smaller tap to fill the tank, you will be getting like x is equal to 3.75. so x minus 10 will be the time taken by the larger tap. So when you subtract 3.75 minus 10, you will be getting like minus 6.25 hours. There is no time in minus, so it is not possible. This condition is not possible for this one, and so therefore you are going to use x is equal to 25 hours.